Now let's accessorize. For the ultimate space-saving addition, the ironing board accessory can be integrated into the Livio system. Because this is a heavy accessory, it comes with a specific drilling template. Start by aligning the template on the fixed shelf, which acts as a structural base for the unit. Drill the shelf according to the template makers. Then bolt the ironing board assembly directly to the shelf. Install the additional support brackets to handle the weight and movement. To install the fold-down mechanism for your ironing board, start with the soft closing hinges. Position the hinges so that they are open and perfectly flush, and press down to lock them into the door front. Next, secure the hinges to the bottom fixed shelf using the provided wood screws. Your stowaway ironing station is now ready for a perfectly pressed finish.